In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily find out which version of Microsoft PowerPoint you are using. Whether you're troubleshooting, preparing for an update, or just curious, knowing your software version is key. So grab your computer and let's dive right in. The first step is simple. If you haven't already, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You'll typically find it by searching in your Start menu or Applications folder, depending on whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. After opening PowerPoint, you should see the initial opening screen. This is where you can choose to open a recent document or start a new presentation. It's a familiar place for many of us who use PowerPoint regularly. Now, once you're in, the next thing you want to do, if you haven't already, is to open an existing PowerPoint file. This can be any file you've been working on recently or a new file you just created. The reason why we need a file open is that it allows us to access certain menus within PowerPoint that are otherwise unavailable on the startup screen. Simply click Open and select the file you wish to continue with. After your PowerPoint file is open and ready, head over to the File menu. The File menu is essentially your go-to for anything related to the document settings, information, or certain PowerPoint settings. It's located at the top left of your screen, typically represented by the Word file, or an icon resembling a folder. Click on it and a panel of options and settings will unfold. Next, within this file menu, look for an option labelled Account. It's usually towards the bottom of the list that appeared when you clicked File. In some versions, especially the newer ones, you might see it labelled as Office Account instead. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Account or Office Account. This section contains details about your Office installation, including subscription and product information. It's more or less the identity card for your PowerPoint and Office suite. Finally, the moment we've been aiming for is right under Account, the About PowerPoint button. Clicking on it will open a new window that contains various details about the PowerPoint version you're using. This includes the version number, which is essential for support, updates, or compatibility information, along with other technical details such as the installation type, 32-bit or 64-bit, and product ID. Understanding these details can be particularly handy. For instance, knowing whether you're on a 32-bit or 64-bit version could affect which add-ins or features you can use. The version number helps you assess when you might need an update or if you're running a version that's no longer supported. There you have it. A simple and straightforward process to find the PowerPoint version you're currently using. It's always a good idea to keep your software up to date, not just for accessing the latest features, but also for ensuring that you have the latest security updates. As a side tip, if you ever run into issues with PowerPoint or need to contact support, having this version information at hand can significantly speed up the process. Support teams often need this information to help you more efficiently. Lastly, while you're in that Account or About PowerPoint section, take a moment to explore. Microsoft often includes links to additional resources, privacy policies, and even quick repair options that can be very handy if you're experiencing issues with your PowerPoint or any Office application. And that wraps up our tutorial. I hope this was helpful and that you're now more comfortable navigating your way through PowerPoint to find essential software information. Remember, staying informed about your software versions ensures a smoother, more secure experience while you create, present and collaborate using Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy presenting